Are you looking for the best drones? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Camera Drone Combo. With a 4K Ultra HD camera and a 3-axis gimbal, the DJI Mini 4 shoots high-resolution video that won't shake or rattle as you fly. The drone pairs that gimbal with level 5 wind resistance, so even if you're shooting video on a blustery day, your footage will be clear and steady. Alongside the robust stability features, the drone has a powerful motor to propel the drone to over 35 miles per hour at top speed. This makes it perfect for recording extreme sports or high-speed video. It also allows for takeoff at an altitude of more than 4,000 meters. Because the Mini 4 holds 2 batteries in its body, the maximum battery range is also higher than many similar models. The drone flies continuously for over an hour at a time before requiring a recharge. The only potential drawback is that the remote is the sole means of controlling the drone versus additionally being able to use your smartphone. If this isn't a deal breaker, this is still the drone to buy based on camera quality and other features for the price. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE Drone. The Atom SE has many of the same features as the DJI Mini 4, but with lower price attached. It's true that the competition has a superior camera and obstacle avoidance, but otherwise, the Potensic matches the DJI pretty much across the board, including its battery power. This tiny drone also has a 4K HD camera with stabilization tech to help the 12MP photos and 4K, 30 frames per second footage come out clear. It also has a control system with 3 modes, including video, normal, and sport, and plenty of tracking modes. A GPS-assisted return home button sets the drone to fly back to you in case of emergencies. It can withstand level 5 wind. The Atom SE is a frequently recommended value-forward product from Reddit drone enthusiasts. Several user reviews say that the Atom SE is great for beginners and experienced users alike and comment on its easy software, surprisingly well-made construction, and terrific controller. However, some say its lack of obstacle avoidance can make flight feel risky for new users. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. Kyle thinks the Mavic Air 2 is the perfect tweener drone because it gives you some of the higher-level camera capabilities of the most expensive Autel and Mavic 2 Pro drones, as well as more advanced sensing technology, without an eye-watering price tag. Among the key camera features is the ability to shoot 8K hyperlapse. The hyperlapse feature is time-lapse video, but do note that's a battery-intensive mode that only lets you launch, fly a bit, record, and then immediately land. Likewise, 48MP image capture is a digital trick that takes multiple images simultaneously. It doesn't replicate the crystal-clear photography you get from the larger sensor on DJI's Mavic 2 Pro. Still, the feature set of the Air 2 is excellent. For instance, the Point of Interest 3.0 mode allows the Air 2 to create an automated flight path around an object. Think, 360 degrees around a boat in the water. Spotlight 2.0 lets you tap an object, like a person, in the viewfinder to keep the camera fixed on that subject, so you can focus on flying while the subject moves. The Mavic Air 2 also has forward, backward, and downward sensing, distinguishing it from the Mavic Mini 2, which lacks sensors. Number 4. DJI Neo Mini Drone. If you want to grab a drone for your kids or don't want to sink a fortune on your very first device, the DJI Neo is the right option for you. The drone comes with many of the same features as larger, more expensive drones, but does so in an affordable compact package. This specific drone also does not require the use of a remote control and can be flown directly from your smartphone. During testing, this took less than 5 minutes to connect and set up. I was also pleasantly surprised at its stability even in windy conditions. Despite its compact size, the drone comes with level 4 wind resistance, which was enough for smooth footage against a stiff breeze. This actually came in handy during the relatively windy day I first flew it in. Even as I sent it higher into the air where the wind was much stronger, the drone didn't waver or sway. The drone also comes with snap-on propeller guards which protect small fingers from hurting themselves on the blades. Number 5. HOVERAir X1 Drone with camera. Although some question whether it's an actual drone, Redditors who have experience with DJI and Potensic say it's undeniably convenient and fun, and we agree. The HOVERAir X1 fits in the pocket of a pair of jeans, is simple to use, and has a camera quality that's on par with an iPhone. Download the user-friendly app and it's up and flying in minutes. It has 7 autonomous flight modes that follow you, and 1 manual mode that you control from your phone. It has obstacle avoidance, but it's limited to only objects in front or below it. During testing, I found the autonomous flight mode impressive and surprisingly reliable. The camera locks onto the user and then follows the flight mode you choose. It automatically stops if it loses sight of you and emergency lands if it comes in contact with anything. It can follow you on a bike ride or tag along on a hike for hassle-free photos and videos. It won't be doing barrel rolls or shooting cinematic footage, but the Air X1 is a practical drone for getting some pictures and videos that's fun and easy to use.